Today I have been stitching away, and here is a sped up version of my progress so far. And I'm going to stop at this point. Today has been a bit crazy, so I haven't got as much done as I would have liked. So I'm going to extend this, I think, until next weekend. So this time next weekend, hopefully, I'll be all finished. And what I would like you guys to do is, as you get started, if you could send me your progress shots. So send me some whips so I can post them up in my stories, because I am super keen to see how everyone is getting on with this pattern. And I will post a little progress video each day or every other day, depending on how hectic things are and how much I manage to get stitched, and let you know how I'm getting on. And then I will do the frame up next weekend, because I'm really loving this pattern and I definitely don't want to rush it. I think these guys are going to look epic when they're done. And I want to say a big thank you to everyone for all the Skelly love. There has been so much Skelly love, and over 200 people have downloaded these guys, so I cannot wait to see up to 200 different Skelly stitches, so that would be epic. Right, so I shall stop there for now and say bye bye from me, and bye bye from Nunu. Oh wow, Nunu's very close. Say goodbye, Nunu. Bye bye from Nunu. Nunu says bye. She's like, oh, I'm on camera again. This is where I belong. Look at this happy face. So we'll say bye bye from us. And don't forget to send me in your Skelly pics.